Jamboard is something your online smart board where teachers and students can sketch and collaborate on an interactive canvas. And Jamboard can be used both on your computers, phone, and as well as on tablets. So now let's see the live demonstration of Jamboard. This is the live demonstration of Jamboard. On Jamboard, for example, we can sketch any triangle. In case if you are a mathematics teacher, we can draw line, we can write anything. And the best part of it, even we can invite students also to write on the Jamboard at the same time. Similarly, you can use sticky notes to explain some more concepts. We can add image to make it more interactive. Even we can make Jamboard for gamification. We can ask them to use this drag and drop options. We can ask them to match the following option using lines. So this is the way we can make it more interactive. And as well as we can use Jamboard in mathematics, like this is for your coordinate geometry. We can use the Jamboard.